Do you know what's damaging your skin barrier? Let me help you explain what that would be. Skin barrier is our protective layer on top of our skin, and when skin barrier is disrupted, our skin doesn't feel balanced. So it's very important to understand what are the causes that people have disrupted skin barrier. Hi, I'm Spela Hernandez. I'm a licensed esthetician of over 20 years and founder of Spalina Skincare. So the health of skin barrier is super important for integrity of your skin. What is causing the disruption? So my clients come in and they complain, my skin doesn't feel good. It feels like it's thinning and it's producing too much oil, and I just don't know what is wrong. Those are usually clients that are new to me because their skin hasn't been conditioned. But the causes for that are very simple. It's over exfoliation. We cause it to ourselves. So what that would be, exfoliation are so many different things that people don't think about it, but the main ones would be that you're applying too many products with acids, or you are using some kind of tools that are enhancing the exfoliation process daily. You might also be using as simple as washcloth too often, or those little silicone sponges that are not just helping you cleanse the skin, but they are disrupting your barrier. So all those things we don't think about are adding to the exfoliation process. And once the skin barrier is disrupted, that protective layer has been removed. So what's body's response is to protect itself, and it's trying to replenish the hydration levels to protect the skin. When we find ourselves in this cycle, we don't really know what to do, right? So the first thing would be to really assess what are you doing to your skin, because it's something that you're causing, that this is happening. And then the second would be, how do we repair it? My one and only product that I always recommend for clients with that kind of issue is our stem cell infusion serum. This is a complete restorative serum with human stem cells and growth factors. It also has cytokines, and it's a serum that will heal your skin in no time, just in few days. It has a lot of other different properties, but the main thing is that it regenerates the skin. It rebuilds the skin. So if you're looking for a solution for your damaged skin barrier, this would be the one that I recommend. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.